So can you identify these shapes? You can see here all of these. Okay, I'll ask you one by one. What is this shape?
Square.
Oh wow, you know it. Good job. What shape is this?
Love heart.
It's a heart, love heart. And what is this?
Star.
Good. And now I'll only ask you about the lines. What kind of lines present in these? So, do you know what are the three types of lines we have? Okay, let me tell you. You have seen lines like this, and lines like this. So this, which is just sleeping, it's called a sleeping line because when
Yeah.
you sleep like this only, no, on bed.
Yeah.
Sleeping. This is sleeping line. This is standing line. It's standing straight like this. Yeah. And up next we have is a slant line. So whenever we type A, we are using two slant lines and one sleeping line in between. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Good. Now you need to tell me in stars what kind of line we have used. Is it sleeping?
Sleeping line and st-
Yeah,
um,
there is a sleeping line. This is a sleeping line. Good job. And there is another one type of line we have. Yeah, yeah.
sleeping line.
Yeah, that looks like this. What do we call it? We call it slant. It's a slant line. Good job. And also, we have when we only talked about straight lines. So in straight line, we have these three: standing, sleeping, and slant. But what about these curves? Whenever we get like this, or like this, or like this, or like this, we also get some curvy things. So we also have some curvy lines. So whenever we see this heart, it is made up of curves. It is made up of curvy lines. It's not straight, no? It's not straight like this. It's not straight like this. It's not straight like this. But it is curved. It's curved like this. Yeah? So
Yeah.
what do we call it, Fun? What do we call it, Fanna?
Um,
A curve. This is called curve line.
uh, curve line.
Yeah. But can you tell me in this square, what lines do we have? These are straight or curve? Just tell me that. Is this straight? Yeah, straight.
Standing line and sleeping line.
Good job. It's having straight lines. And the type of line is standing and sleeping. Good job. And what about this rainbow? Is it straight?
It's curve
It's
line.
curved. You got it. Good job. And what about the spoon? What is it doing? Is it straight or curved? What is it?
It's a straight.
It's straight. And what is it? Is it standing or sleeping?
Sleeping.
Good job. And what about this glass? Is it standing or sleeping? In a line?
Standing.
Good job. You got it. Okay, now question two is you have to draw a closed shape by using two slant lines and one sleeping line. And I gave you hint for this. So you have to use two slant lines. So let me tell you again what are slant. Lines like this are slant. And you know about sleeping. It's a sleeping line. So you have to make a shape by using two slant and one sleeping line. Can you do that? Yeah, good job. These are two slant. You did good. This is
Triangle.
slant, and this is. Yeah, you made a triangle. And can we also make an A with this? We can also,
Yeah.
one second. Yeah, we can also make an A with this, and we can also make a triangle with this. So shape looks like this. This is triangle. And if we make an alphabet, this is A. But this is an open shape, and this is a closed shape. Because it is all closed. See, you got closed here.
And
Yeah. And also show me how you make heart with your hand. People make heart with their hands. No? Yeah, you know it. Good job. Okay, we are gonna learn about what a plane shape. Okay. Can you see all these shapes here? I know you must have seen them somewhere. It's a triangle? You just told me it's a triangle. You made it. And it's such a simple shape. It's a circle.
Yeah, it has only curves, no lines.
No lines, no corners, nothing it has. It's such a simple shape. All closed. So whenever we have a closed shape, so what do we mean by closed? So whenever we how many lines we make doesn't matter, but it is closed like this. So it's going to be a closed shape. But what if I make it like this? It is open. This is not closed. So whenever we have a closed shape and it is having 2D, like two dimensions only. By two dimension I mean its length and its breadth. By length and breadth I mean only this and this, not 3D. Like I'm not making it like this. I'll show you. I'm not talking about this. In this, we also have height, no? Here, but we are only talking about shapes which we can draw. Here, I can draw triangle. I can draw rectangle. So these are all called plane shapes. Okay?
Yeah,
We will not go into Rubik's cube and all. Okay? Plane shapes are all these square, rectangle. Can you tell me some more?
circle,
Circle then.
square.
Yeah. Do you also know about what is a hexagon?
Yeah,
What is it?
it's like
How many sides it has?
um,
It's okay. We'll learn. Okay. Let's go with these shapes as well. What is this? Do you know about it?
oval.
Yeah, you know it. Can you give me an example? What thing looks like an oval?
It it only has a curve like a circle with no lines.
Yeah, good job. But do have you seen something like this, like an oval?
Yeah,
Yeah, what is that?
like mm,
Hmm.
I just forgot.
You just forgot. You eat that. You
Yeah.
eat that thing. Can you remember? It's a white thing that you eat.
Cauliflower.
Yeah. Okay,
She's
let me tell you.
vegetarian. She don't eat. That's why she don't know
Okay,
what
okay, okay.
it's
It's
egg.
have you seen an egg?
Yes.
Yeah, an egg it has exactly figure like an oval.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's kind of a circle, but it's not a full circle. It's a tilted circle like this, and it's called oval. Yeah, you can make it like this. Good. Nice. Okay, let's go with semicircle. So what is a semicircle? So whenever you see a circle and you divide it into two parts like this,
Like
you make a
if you
semicircle.
morph it,
Yeah,
you make a semicircle.
yeah, you make a semicircle then. If you divide it, it's in between. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, can we move on to pentagon? That comes a little different name. What is a pentagon? How many sides it has? It has one, two, three, four, and five. How many sides pentagon has?
Five.
Five. You need to remember this. I'll ask you the next time, okay? So
Okay.
hexagon is basically a polygon which is having five sides. And now can you tell me how many sides a square has? Can you think? Let me go back to square.
Four.
Good
It's a
job. What about rectangle?
four.
Good job. What about triangle?
Three.
Great. What about circle?
Zero.
Zero. Yeah, it has no sides. And also, you can tell me about corners now when you know about sides. This is a corner. Whenever two sides meet at a place, it's called a corner. Okay?
Yeah.
That's a corner. Can you tell me how many corner triangle has?